This is a winner Kai made dinner. Yum. Ate her right on up. Well, looky. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna make it cute. I don't gotta tighten it down that much. Just go in and separate. Pull them apart, okay? Just imagine if all the hair was coiled like this. Take my pick, and I'm just gonna bring it up like this. I'm gonna try not to disturb the curls on the end, because I want that definition, you know? Let's see if we can do this. Okay, I think I need to cut the front a little bit shorter. All right, so this right here, I'm gonna cut it right. Just cut it right across. Just put some mousse on it and redefine the ends, or redefine the strands. All right, bring it up, fluff it. If this is a kinky curly, it would be a little stiffer. This wig is pretty much all about the fluffing. Shake it up. Yup. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Do I want more forehead? Let's see. Bring it back some. Okay. If you are beginning to wigs and you want to wear a curly unit that isn't water wave, this one right here,